I'm working as a land surveyor and an engineering company, and what we do is construction building, surveying for constructions, and just regular land surveying. Actually, what I most wanted to see was the information, the connection with the scan data with metadata, basically telling how could you process the data and how could you get the information that's in the data out of the data to the client. That's what I mostly wanted to see.
Yeah, I mean you've got Trimble, like Top Gun, they're all going head to head here, so you can, it's the one place where you can sit and go around all the different stores, and in one foul swoop in an afternoon you can look at all the different pros and cons of each of them and make your own mind up. And I think once you've done that, you know, going on site is always going to be an invaluable visit, and the extra information that you're going to pick up from a one-on-one talk on site in the environment where you see the equipment in action is where your decisions will always be made. But these kind of events are somewhere where you can really give yourself a good idea of what all the instruments are capable of, and who the guys are that's behind it to support you once you bought the equipment. So I think these are invaluable, these sort of discussions and meeting places like SPAR, you know.
3D laser scanning is a technique that is more and more becoming in use. It's becoming more and more integrated with other disciplines than surveying. And what I've seen here is that it is internationally recognized as not only in America or Holland, but all the countries among us are adopting the new technologies.
What I'm interested in SPAR is looking at the peripheral applications, not necessarily the scanning hardware, because we're quite aware of the current technical trends. What I think is quite interesting at SPAR is the new software that's coming out, products from, say, Point Tools or Alice Labs, and with Alice Labs in particular, seeing a convergence of photogrammetry with terrestrial laser scanning. I think that's very exciting, and also the integration of digital photography into the point cloud with the Alice Labs project or product.
Well, a major event like this for us is, of course, to put our name in the market. We're a relatively young company, so getting out to the people and to the customers is, of course, a key element for us. An event like SPAR really pulls a good crowd for us to show our capabilities, especially our new technologies. SPAR is especially a place where we usually present some of the new technologies we've got going on within Alice Labs, so that's a really key feature for us.
I've realised over the last 2 days how much it's helped us to improve our software solution and our hardware by listening to our customers. So we now can get the feedback, work on the implementations, and then SPAR is a great forum for us to be able to then present that information back to those customers.